Tapon natin. So, let's get back to our kalokohan na naman this. Hi to all, everyone. Hi to our 140 viewers. Give me likes, everyone. So, we have a lot of banana here. Inside the box, it's full of banana. It's fresh from the farm because we picked this one day before our light. My lolo gave me this. Lolo and Lola Neri gave me this banana for my baby. But this is not ripe yet. It's anong English ng hilaw? Anong English ng hilaw lang? Ayan. Banana. Pinaghiwa-hiwalay ni Bunding yan. Pitas-pitas niya. Banana. Parang na-stress sila. Na-stress yung mga banana ko. Dapat siguro ilagay lang natin dito sa karton. Para mahilap sila. Get. O, diba? So, sabi ng lola ko, hihinog daw to after mga 3 to 5 days. It will go ripe. Kawawa sila, na-stress sila, nagkaroon sila ng mga batik-batik. Alam nyo guys, sobrang fresh na to. Oh, naihinog na oh. Nagsa-start na siyang mahinog. Kayo. So, I'm going to give some for my sister-in-law and to my mother-in-law and for my baby because I love a lot. I love to eat banana. Do you want banana? Here, I have a lot. Malapit na mahinog. Start na siyang mahinog. Ayan. Diba, ang dami. Ano to eh? 6 na kilo or 7 kilo ang aking banana. So, bibigyan natin sila. Nalagay natin sa plastic. Wait. No. Wait, dito na lang. So, mag-share na sila kasi isa lang yung plastic ko. So, let's do this. Ayan. Let's pack. Hiwa-hiwalay lang naman po sila. This is for me. Tapos yan. Papadalhan pa sana ako ng langka, guys, kasi wala na akong lagayan. Hindi na kasya sa baggage ko. So, this is for Ate Duday. We have a plenty more pa. So, this is for Sayon. Sayon. Kasi matakaw siya sa banana, guys. Pahingin plastic yan? Nagbibideo ako, nag-ano ako.